DIY stand angle grinder. All materials on this content from unused stuff in my workshop. I'm sorry my video is not start from processing, I'm forgot. Let's start install it. First, I will install the holder for vice clamp underneath base. Next, install the clamp and lock with bolt. This clamp is adjustable in order to make it easy when you cut in various angle, straight cut, 45 degrees, as we want. Install lever stick on edge of base, bolt and tighten it. Install the grinder holder slider on lever stick. It's adjustable for convenience cutting towards and backwards. Lock the angle grinder on the holder, and now ready to test cutting. Last, put the handle on lever stick. Let's test cutting. Great, it works. Thank you for watching, and see you on next my DIY video.